So when we think of positivity, we think of happiness and being happy all the time, but we're not always happy. So finding just one thing positive today will make your life so much easier and so much better. Hello everyone. Today we are going to do a meditation for good vibes and for positive energy. I'm wearing my good vibes shirt that I got. So we're just going to settle in. You can have your hands in mudra or just on your lap or on your knees. We can close the eyes or lower them. Relax the jaw. Just sink into this moment. Inhale deeply through the nose. Hold it. And exhale through the mouth. Inhale deeply again. Hold it. And exhale deeply through the mouth. So when we think of positivity, we think of happiness and being happy all the time, but we're not always happy. So finding just one thing positive today will make your life so much easier and so much better. So in this practice, we're going to think, I am positive. We're going to breathe it in, hold it, and exhale. Go ahead and return to breathing normally. You can find something positive out of any situation. Life is hard, but we are living it, and it can also be beautiful. So I want you to think of one thing that makes you feel good today. I want you to breathe it in. Think of that one good thing in your life and hold it. And then exhale everything else out. We are raising our vibration. We are creating a more positive mindset when we breathe. So let's just take a few moments to just breathe. Notice how your body starts to relax with every breath. Feel as your body starts to relax and the blood starts to flow. Wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes. Smile just a little bit, even if you don't want to. You are doing well. You can handle any situation that comes to you. And you are learning every day how to live and to be more positive, even if situations are rough. And every day is not going to be flowers and sunshine, but if you can find one thing that makes you feel good every day, you will have a more positive life. Let's inhale deeply together, filling the belly, hold it at the top, and then let all the air out. Inhale, fill the belly, hold it at the top, and let it all out. You can flutter the eyes open at this time. I hope you thought of one positive thing in your day, and I hope you take care of yourself. If you like this video and you like the content I'm creating, then press here to subscribe. And if you want to see other videos like this, press here to click on the next video. I hope you guys have a great day, and I hope that this meditation helps you. Namaste.